Hello friends, my name is Kundan, and in today's session we are going to see about matchers in Jest. So matchers in Jest are functions provided by the Jest testing framework that are used to test the behavior of values in a more precise way. They allow you to make assertions about the value being tested and help to write more readable expressive tests. Some commonly used matcher functions are included in Jest that we are going to see. Let's see one by one. So first one is to be. So it basically used to check some kind of strict values, equality, like string or integer kind of values. So we can use to be. And if we want to check for some kind of object, then we use to equal. And if we want to test some boolean values, then we use to be truthy and to be false, to be falsy. And to check some kind of null and undefined, we have to be null, to be undefined, to be defined, we have for defined. And to contain some kind of an element in an array, so that we use to contain. And for greater than, less than, we have to be greater than, to be less than. So these are the some commonly used methods. So there are a lot of more functions, so we can use them. So we will see them in later videos, so how we can use them. So you can use these matchers by calling them on a value or using them in a expect statement. So we will see those examples in the coming session. So thank you friends, thanks for watching.